Hello, and welcome to Wayne State University's Department of Chemistry. In this presentation, I'm going to show you what our facilities have to offer our students, what our classes are like, the opportunities for our students, and what you can do with a major in chemistry. So first of all, again, welcome. We're very excited to be able to share our department with all you guys, and we're so excited to let everybody know what we have to offer and some new exciting programs that have just came about that, again, we're very excited to offer. So here's a look into our facilities, our student support, our student services, our organizations, and all of the activities that we partake in. So first and foremost, this is our building. So this is the chemistry building at Wayne State University in the heart of Detroit. It's a beautiful building. It's new renovation that is done. And more importantly, this is that big glass facade in the front. This is the atrium of the chemistry building. This is where a lot of our student interactions happen. This is where our tutoring happens. There's small discussion groups. This is where our students come to learn, to meet, to engage. And it's always bustling with activity and students. And it's really a fun place. And we're very excited, and we always get happy when we come out and we see so many students engaging in our department. Up top is one of our research labs. All of our research labs are open to undergraduates who have the opportunity to apply for research in one of our labs and to do a semester, at least a semester in research. And it's required for our majors to do this research experience. And this is a typical lab that our undergraduates would get hands-on experience doing research in. So our chemistry covers so many different fields. So we can go from inorganic to biochemistry. And this is where students can see that research happen in real life firsthand. Another resource that we have in our chemistry building is our Lumigen Instrument Center. So we are very fortunate to have this in the basement of our building where we house really state-of-the-art instruments and that companies from all over will come and use these instruments, and it's housed in our very own building. And undergraduates will also get the chance to do research and to learn about these instruments that, like I said, we're very fortunate to have, because not a lot of places will have the kinds of instruments that we have and that are available for undergraduates to use. Finally, our STEM building. So this is a building that has just been finished, that is ready for us to move into, and it is really quite beautiful. So this is where a lot of our labs are going to take place, like our organic chemistry or our general chemistry labs. So you can see everything is brand new in this building. We have a lot of interactive spaces here. So in that right-hand corner, that's a table with a flat screen TV that students can come, sit, engage, go over slides, talk about what they just did in lab. We also have these big kind of lecture rooms where students can come hold discussion sections where there can be an instructor talking to students, instructing them on what the lab is going to be about. Here are spaces for the students to just relax before and after lab, spaces for students to work while they're in the lab, and then of course the labs themselves. So these are the workbenches that the students will be at, all equipped with brand new hoods for students. Each student would get their own hood in the organic chemistry lab, and they've really taken a lot of advice on the faculty to make this experience the best for our students possible. So we're really excited with this brand new space that we have to offer students, and we'd be so excited for you to come and check out this brand new space. So one thing we really pride ourselves on at the chemistry department at Wayne State is our student support. So we have large lectures, but we offer so much support to our students that it almost doesn't feel like that, because there's so many resources for students to get help. Some of these include our learning communities, the Chemistry Learning Center, and our Academic Success Center. The learning communities are held individual in each class. The Chemistry Learning Center is held as a department, and then the Academic Success Center is a university center that's there to aid students in their courses. So the learning community is huge. It goes across the campus in so many different courses. But in all of our lower level courses, our 1,000 level courses, we offer a learning community. So that's where students can get help from what we call peer mentors. So those are undergraduate students that have excelled in that course and are coming back to help tutor students that are in it. And they will be in the classroom with students. They will be engaging with students. They'll hold office hours outside of the class for help. They'll hold group work hours where students can come in a group and play games and learn the chemistry. And on top of all of that, they're really a guide for our students. They don't just help with the chemistry because they are kind of on the same path as our students. Our chem majors, our biochem majors, are mostly pre-health science. So they're pre-med, pre-dent, pre-pharm, and they're always wondering about the application process, what they need to score on their qualifying exams like the MCAT or DAT, and basically just the path to getting into these programs. And our peer mentors really are mentors in that aspect too. And it's a huge help for our students. The student services we offer is our student affiliates. So it's ACS, the American Chemical Society, SA, student affiliates. And that's basically our organization that does a lot of outreach and services regarding chemistry. So as you can see in the upper right-hand corner, we broke the world record for the largest periodic table, and it was great fun. And that's just one of the things that our student organization does out of many. On the bottom, there's an outreach where we taught students how to make unicorn slime. And again, more outreach in the left picture. We're just basically teaching students about the fun of chemistry and how amazing chemistry is. And finally, our newest program is our Gateway to Science program. And what this allows is students who have been matriculated or accepted into Wayne State can jumpstart their chemistry courses by taking one of their introductory level courses the summer before they start. So if a student was to start in fall 2021, they would be able to take this chemistry course in the summer of 21 and kind of get that class, that prerequisite course out of the way. So when they start in the fall, they can really hit the ground running. And what this does for our students is it frees up their schedule so they can take other prerequisite courses like their biology or their physics. So we're really excited to offer this program to our students that are coming in. So thank you very much for listening to the presentation and for your time. My name is Dr. Andrea Matti, and you can email me at Matti, M-A-T-T-I, at chem.wayne.edu if you have any questions. Thank you.